Hello everyone. Once again, I am Agnes Arcalion, a former student of Cebu Technological University of San Francisco. So, I'm so thankful for watching my video and I do hope that you will support my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble and assemble the system unit. So I hope first you would support my YouTube channel by uh, click the follow, subscribe, and share. If you want to share, then click the notification bell to so you are updated to my next video. So this video is for educational purposes only and intended for the young learners, some students and netizens that is willing to learn. This is easy step to cope up some learnings about the disassemble and assemble of the system unit. Um, to apply or to perform the disassemble and assemble of the system unit, so we need the materials or the tools like the screwdriver and the rest static electricity, and then it's an optional the electric static mat, and also we need the computer system so we can perform it. In the first place, when you do perform this assemble and assemble of the system unit, you must think the safety first. So remove all the earrings. You should not have to wear earrings, and if you're at school, remove your sling, the ID sling, to prevent or to avoid damages of the system unit. And for the disassembling of the system unit, first, you need to unplug all the cables that connect to the computer and the system unit. And then take note to wear a rest static electricity or SD to prevent the remaining electricity to transfer the body that may cause damages and grounded. Second, remove the cover of the system unit case and be careful for the edges of the keys because it's sharp and it may be cut your hand or in the rest. Third, uninstall the power supply and unattach or unconnect all the internal cables. So be sure to recognize or familiar the all internal cables so it's easy to assemble it again. As you're able to remove the power supply, remove first the Molex connectors, the white plastic connector that tip of the wires of the power supply. And then next is the power connector of the motherboard, the dry power connectors, the fluffy dry power connector, the SATA power connector, and the 4-pin 12 volts motherboard connector. So these all power connectors are removed from the motherboard and drives. So the power supply will be removed as well. So always have the removed components in a right place or a safe place as you were performing computer disassembly. Next to remove is the RAM, the video card, and the other peripheral components, and also the hard disk. So it's easy to remove the motherboard. Next to do is to unscrew the 4 sides of the motherboard and put the motherboard in the clean area and safety place. So not all the motherboard has the same brand. Some others are a clone chipset. So This will be the components of the motherboard that were used. So now let's go to assemble the computer system unit. So first, install the motherboard. Screw it tight all the four sides of the motherboard, and second, install the power supply with the connecting cables and be sure to screw it tight. Next, connect the front panel, the USB port. Third, install the RAM and the video card to the PCI expansion slot panel on the motherboard. Fourth, place the hard disk drive to the disk tray. Fifth, connect the SATA drive connector to the hard disk, and all the drive internal cables to the motherboard. Then finally, close the powerhouse case of our system unit.